Hey, I'm Pat. Welcome to Daily Devo. Today we're going to talk about serving one another. Have you ever heard the expression, you can tell a lot about a person by the way they treat the servers at a restaurant? What is the role of a server? Isn't it to care for the needs and wants of the people dining out? They take your order, they refill your drinks, they deliver your food, they bring out the bread baskets. Okay, now I want to go to the Olive Garden. Their sole job is to take great care of their guests, to serve them. Some of us have had or currently have jobs like that, jobs that entail our sole purpose in serving another person. However, whether you've had or have a job like this, we can all recall a time of receiving the service from others. When we hear serve others, these two words are not exactly exciting or glamorous. Some of you actually might resist or feel the weight of the words serve others. It can be exhausting and big and endless when you take on the role of serving others. Or is it? In John chapter 13, verse 14, Jesus has just finished washing the stinking, dirty, grungy, ugly feet of his followers. And look what he says next. In verse 14, "And since I, your Lord and teacher, have washed your feet, you ought to wash another's feet," or others' feet. Now, you might be thinking, I really don't want to wash feet. That's okay. It's not really about the feet. It's about the action of serving one another, which again doesn't sound all that exciting and glamorous, does it? But what if we flip the story? What if we recalled that Jesus washing their feet wasn't a one-time act? What if we recalled the time that Jesus said, "I did not come to be served, but to serve"? What if we realized that the reason Jesus went to the cross, taking your sin and my sin, is because his entire life was built around serving others? What if we realized that serving others is one of the greatest things that we can actually do today, this day, the day we're in? One of the greatest things that we can do is to serve someone else. Wow, let's do it. We're probably not going to wash someone's feet, but maybe it's just noticing someone or offering a helping hand or caring for someone or going out of your way to be helpful or helping someone grab a jar of pickles from the top shelf at the store, or returning a grocery cart instead of leaving it in the parking lot, or making your spouse a cup of morning coffee, or bringing a meal to new parents, sharing a helpful podcast with someone, volunteering, helping your friend with something. The list is endless. Imagine Jesus standing back up after washing their feet, and imagine the look on their faces. And imagine them hearing those words, "Just as I have washed your feet, you wash other feet." Jesus is saying to you and me today, serve others like I did when I was on earth. Serve others in big ways, in small ways, and the in-between ways.